Hi viewers, I hope you're doing well, and we are here with the new AI competition video where we will check Qwen 3.7 with Claude AI, about which there are many myths in which it is said in many videos that I was watching. They say that Qwen 3.7 compares with Claude AI and claims that Qwen 3.7 is better than Claude AI, whereas this is not the case at all. First, let's see what Qwen 3.7 is, which has been launched and is available in our chat. Does it have the flagship Qwen 3.7 model delivering state of the art performance? Currently, text only, no vision capability. Okay, vision. Capabilities are not yet available in it, and on this basis, it cannot be compared from any angle. There are also many other differences. Let's move on to a brief comparison of these. In comparison, if you look, Qwen 3.7 is compared with 4.7, saying that your new version, Qwen 3.7, is better than this. Whereas here, the analytics show that Qwen 3.7 scored 57 and is equal in intelligence. Its intelligence is equal, but in coding, still Claude Opus 4.7 is above, which you can see is between 50 and 53. And then in agentic coding, again, Claude 4.7 is above, as you can see, although you might not see much difference. You might say Qwen is also better. Yes, absolutely better in this aspect. Is that if you click and use Qwen like this and it generates results for you, but still you can see that currently it is text only, no vision capabilities. Vision capabilities are still not available in it. If you use it or textual format or coding, it is free for you. It is always free for you. You can use it. Whereas you have restrictions with Claude. Claude gives you limited access. After that, it gives you time limits. After that time, you can use it. Now, let's move on to testing. Qwen 3.7 with Cloud Opus 4.7, Opus 4.6, and ChatGPT 5.5. Because here it is also said that if we take the smaller version of Claude 4.6, then it is much better. So even now, you will see coding is 9.2 for this 3.7, and Claude Opus 4.6 is again above, and ChatGPT is below both. So here you will see again Qwen in debugging, it is 9.3, and then 9.6, 8.7. Still, you will see Qwen 3.7 is above ChatGPT 5.5, but Claude 4.6 is above both. So here comes the next math. For math, it gets 8.7 here, 9.0, and then 8.5. Your third place goes to ChatGPT. In every respect, ChatGPT is coming in third place. But lastly, you will see agentic tasks. In agentic tasks, yours has come out on top. Qwen 9.6 is above. And then 8.7 came here for Claude. Claude has gone down a bit here. Now let's look at this overall. Overall excellence is 9.2, 9.3 compared to, meaning that it is almost equal, but it is not above that. 3.7 is also below Claude 4.6. But in comparison, they come very close to each other. Now, let's see what agentic tasks are being shown where 3.7 is above. What are agentic tasks? Agentic tasks. First, it is important to understand this. If you search for these AIs, you can get a deeper understanding. You can see this set goal, plan, execute task with minimal human intervention, meaning that the user who is giving the task deeply understands it and generates good results according to the user's expectations. Because you will see that in prompt engineering, our flaw comes in that when we do prompt engineering or give a task, we are not told properly or unable to tell the AI clearly that this is what we want, whereas we want that thing. But these are agentic tasks where it understands itself what the user wants, the capability to understand humans and perform and execute this task is best in Qwen. According to 4.6, if we look at it here, you can see Agentic AI is the advanced form of artificial intelligence focused on autonomous decisions. Okay, autonomous decisions, making and action, unlike traditional AI, which primarily responds to commands and analyzes data. Agentic AI sets goals, it creates goals itself, plans them, and executes the task. So this is our agentic coding. This is much better. And if we look at the comparison, there is a significant difference between 3.7 and 4.6. If you look at it here and in agentic tasks, here 4.7, Opus is above, your 3.7 is below. So this is our overall comparison. So now you can choose yourself which one you want to use. And if you look at 3.7 and consider pricing, then in pricing, Opus is always above. The amount Opus charges you is very high. Whereas if you look at Qwen, then Qwen charges you less in comparison. There is a big difference in pricing, so therefore you can use Qwen 3.7. 4.7 is above Qwen 3.7. That's all for now. This is a comparison because in many videos this thing was being exaggerated. Whereas based on reality, this is the development, and that's all for now. Next, we will meet you with the project. Until then, take care of yourself.